Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jonathan Javier, CEO of Wonsulting, and today we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is in regards to resumes. Now, there are 3 big mistakes that most people make on their resumes, and we're going to talk about it today so we can help you in regards to your job search and you land an offer. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, not putting action verbs. Now, action verbs are the first verbs in your work experiences and your leadership experiences. Mostly people put just random sentences, but your first word should always be impactful and show the exact impact you've made specifically in the position. So some good words to utilize in your first words. Number 1, improved. Something you've improved, whether it's in regards to a process, collaborated. How many team members did you work with? Who did you collaborate with? Those 2 are very important to exemplify on your resume. So be sure to include it, and we'll actually include a resume action verb list in the description. Mistake number 2, not putting numbers or quantifiable metrics. Most people will simply just put a responsibility and not put the actual quantifiable metrics that come from it. A simple bullet could be collaborated with a team in regards to a project involving strategy and operations. That's a very basic lie. We have to add quantifiable metrics to that to show the impact and show how many people we collaborated with. I would revise that by saying collaborated with 5 analysts regarding a strategy and operations project, which resulted in improving efficiencies by 10%. And then there's mistake number 3. Now, before I reveal it, definitely smash that like button if you're finding a lot of value in these videos. We really appreciate your support, but let's get to mistake number 3. Mistake number 3 has to do about your work experience, and it's when you don't have any. What happens is people will think that they can't put anything on their resume now because they don't have relevant work experience. However, you can include project experience. Now, what is project experience? Number 1, from your classes that you're currently taking right now, you can include them on your resume. Or number 2, a project you've worked on, whether it's in the summer or in your spare time, kind of like a side hustle. So when you're able to do this, you'll be able to have relevant experience to the position that you are going for. So let's just give an example of a project from a class. Let's say I'm taking a business operations class at UC Riverside. What I would do is include that project in my project experience headline part, and then I put the specific things I did in that project. One thing you can do is, number 1, you've collaborated with different teams, of course, because you are doing this as a team project. So that'd be one part. The second part is, what grade did you get in the class? Did you get an A? That's what you can include specifically with that project experience. And then you can also add the skills that you utilized in that project to make you a qualified candidate. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this insightful, definitely check out the resume template that got us into Snapchat, Google, and Cisco. It'll be right there. Please subscribe and drop down a light bulb emoji if you found this super insightful, and we hope to see you all soon. Peace out.